A lady complained to me that she will never make FAUX locs again because she cut her hair in the process of takedown. And many persons have suffered this as well. So I said, let me get this tutorial to help many persons. First thing first, do not lose this hair dry. Get your favorite leave-in conditioner and a spray bottle, and that is where the treasure hunt starts. Spray generously on the hair like this. This softens the build-up, adds slip, and reduces friction, so you are not ripping through your strands. Secret number 2. You know when making your hair, they turn the hand this way, clockwise. But now you're going to turn that hair anti-clockwise. So you're going to turn it all around in the opposite direction. What this does is that it helps to unravel the wrapped extension without tugging at your natural hair. You could even notice that it starts to loosen almost immediately. Now, that is where the trick begins. Now, continue to loosen until it becomes so difficult to move. If you find it hard to continue, you just take the scissors and go away from the natural hair and cut that part you are finding it difficult. You see how I do that. So you're going to get a scissors, take your scissors away from the hair and cut that part of the extension. Now this part you are cutting is the kinky extension that has been used to make it. So you find your way all the way to the top to continue the process. When you get to the top, try to pull it lightly or you roll it around your hand. You roll it, and as you do that, you're already seeing the extension going. And one part is gone. Let's remove the kinky extension, and that is it. That is gone. So what this hair really needs is moisture and a little bit of patience. See, gentle does it. If you rush, you're going to cut your hair. And please, do not use blade to cut this hair. Use scissors instead. You know, scissors, you can control it, but blade, because you cannot distinguish between the hair and the extension sometimes, you can cut your hair. So for this one too, you can add a bit of moisture before you start, and you start unraveling it all the way up. Where you might experience difficulty is when two kinky extensions were joined together or a very long extension was used. What you do at this point is to remove that first one first and then start removing the second one, as you can see me do here. So you want to take that first one first, then turn right way and start removing the other one. Now, when removing the other, if you come against any obstacle, which we don't want, we take the scissors and nip it off. And when I'm done, I turn it, that one is gone. So we work our way up as we did before and roll it, rub it, rub it. This rubbing helps to loosen the hair. At the same time, it helps to detangle that your hair. So when you are done with this, you can be sure that the hair will be gone. If you found these tips helpful, kindly like and let me know in the comment section. Also, feel free to share. If you like hair-related content, hair maintenance, please subscribe to this channel. Until next time, my name is Maris and this is Astera Beauty.